Well, I'm getting ready to make another batch of creamed honey. I have my main cream in the bucket already, and I'll dump in my seed cream. This goes in at about a ratio of 8 or 9, maybe even 10 to 1 seed cream to the raw honey. This is so that it adopts the same texture and the size of crystals of the seed as I mix it. I'm mixing it with this. This is actually a peanut butter blender, if you will. You don't want to whip the honey. You want to give it a nice stir and mix it well, but you're not trying to put air in it. So the whole point is you just want to have a consistent mixture so that seed honey, creamed honey, is fully embedded all the way around. So we're blending and trying not to get a lot of air in it. You could hand stir it as well. This just makes it much easier using this peanut butter blender. The nice thing about this is you can see it's all smooth surfaces, so it's not going to gouge up the side of your bucket and get pieces of plastic in it. And you can get it going at pretty good speed. And it's not putting a lot of air in it and fluffing it up. So that's your goal. I'm going to have to come back and mix this probably 3 times a day, 3 or 4 times a day. And it'll consistently start getting thicker and lighter and looking more like that seed honey as it goes along. So that's pretty well blended right now. I'll just go ahead and leave it alone, and we'll come back multiple times over the next couple days and keep blending that.